there, my awesome friends! Today we're drawing some funny shapes together. Have you ever stopped to think about how shapes are everywhere? But here's the fun part. Shapes are way more interesting than you think. They're like secret little comedians with wild lives. Let me tell you some funny and intriguing stuff about these clever little characters. First off, did you know shapes are always arguing about who's the best? Yup, they're super competitive. Triangles think they're the coolest because they're in pyramids and nacho chips. But rectangles are like, excuse me, I'm in every single door and every single phone. And then circles roll in, laughing, saying, whatever, I'm in wheels. Beat that. It's like a reality show for shapes. Here's something wild. If a shape falls over, they just become a whole new thing. A rectangle trips and boom! It's a parallelogram. Imagine if we could just fall over and turn into superheroes. Oh no! I tripped! Suddenly, I'm super triangle with a cape and everything. How awesome would that be? You know what shapes love? Playing dress up. Squares think they're so fancy when they turn into cubes. Look at me. They say, I'm 3D now. But spheres take it to the next level. They're like, I'm not just round. I'm round everywhere. Speaking of cubes, did you know they love puzzles? Yep, cubes are obsessed with Rubik's Cubes. They say, it's a workout for our sides. But circles? They're not into it. They just roll around saying, I'll stick to spinning, thank you. Shapes also have wild fears. You'd think circles would love everything. But guess what? They're terrified of being called ovals. I'm perfectly round! Meanwhile, triangles are scared of being stretched into weird shapes. Here's a weird fact. Shapes have parties. Ever heard of a shape mixer? It's like a big get-together where they all show off. Stars just sparkle non-stop. But squares? They're in the corner like, is this party inside the lines? Shapes love jokes too. What did the circle say to the triangle? You're so edgy! And the triangle said, well, at least I'm not going around in circles. Shapes laugh at their own jokes, even when they're terrible. They're the ultimate comedians. Notice how shapes are everywhere, but they're so good at blending in. A triangle on a pizza? Disguised. A rectangle on a book? Hiding in plain sight. It's like they're secret agents just waiting to be discovered. Shapes also have a favorite hobby, stacking. Circles try to balance, but they just roll off, yelling, why is this so hard? Squares and rectangles are like, step aside. We're the champions of stacking. One last thing. Shapes love telling stories. Squares brag about being in castles. Triangles talk about mountains, and circles always remind everyone they're in the moon. The funniest part, they all agree. Without them, the world would be pretty boring. Keep smiling, keep imagining, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.